Hello dear friends. Friends, today we are going to discuss about themes and significance of the title Long Day's Journey into Night by Eugene O'Neill. Eugene O'Neill is an American playwright. So friends, today we will cover two things, themes and significance of title. So friends, first of all we are going to discuss about themes. So first theme is drug addiction. So, drug addiction is a very bad thing that is very evident in this play. It destroys family and value of character. This is main issue in society. So friends, if we see in this play, we see that all the members are alcoholic and they're taking drugs, especially Jamie Taron and his mother who is taking morphine. She is Mary Taron. So this theme is very evident that drug addiction destroys family and creates a lot of disturbance in family life and also in society life. So friends, second is past and present. So past and present is very evident in this play. Mary goes back into her past in order to get solace or satisfaction because she is not actually thinking that she is not adjusting herself in this new world, in this reality, because whatever she expected, everything proved to be wrong when she came in her practical life after marriage. So past affects future. As Mary when she speaks dialogues, her one dialogue is actually the conclusion of all the play. Past is present and future too, isn't it? So friends, this is showing that our past indirectly and directly affects our present, and it also affects our future. Whatever commands, whatever decisions we take in our past, these actually preoccupy our future, our present, our upcoming lives. So this is very evident in this play. All the all the characters of this play are actually seeking players in the past. Illusions and reality. Friends, if we see here illusions and reality, so this is also the very evident. These themes are very evident in this play. Characters have created self-delusional world. Reality is of course bitter. They are not facing the reality, rather they are actually blaming one another for their shortcomings. But no one is facing reality. No one accepts his own flaws. So they are, as Mary Tyrone. Mary has gone to her past in order to get satisfaction, in order to get peace. So she doesn't want to face reality. Whatever she expected, it was uh, it was not good experience after her marriage. Her husband became very miser, so that's why these things were very bitter for her. So next is deceit and lies. All the family members speak lie at every moment but do not face reality. As most of the times, Jamie Tyrone speaks lie to his father. He is busy in his in wine drinking. In he goes to the whorehouses, and he spends his nights out of the homes. When he is asked, he speaks different. He doesn't want to tell truths to his family. And also James Tyrone, who is father, he also speaks lie in order to justify his own choice about sanatorium and about family life and each and everything, in order to cover up his bad habits like miser, stinginess. He always speaks deceits and lies. So stinginess is also the very evident. Stinginess is not good thing, as because a person who is who uh, believes in stinginess, who doesn't spend money on his on the right way, on the right things, he just he just wastes his resources on useless things. So such thing is not good. A man should be moderate. He should believe in moderation. So his stinginess, James Tyrone's stinginess becomes the cause of tragic end of his wife, Mary Tyrone, because he didn't send her to sanatorium. So in a good hospital when she was going to deliver her child, Edmund Tyrone. So ultimately she became permanent addict. Male domination is also the very important theme of this play because James Tyrone didn't care for Mary's emotions. She had two dreams: to be pianist and a religious nun. So these two things were her dreams. So after her marriage, her husband didn't like to send her to fulfill her desires according to her own wishes. So these are also the very important things that are to be noted in this play. Mary's father domination over her life. So before marriage, her father authority was hovering over the head of her. So he also, when she wanted to become a nun according to the wishes of her father. So this also shows her father views over her. So she was fostered, she was nourished in a way that she never ever tried to get rid of her husband. She never actually spoke against her husband. So these things show the male domination authority society. Significance of title. Now friends, we are going to discuss about the significance of title. Why did he choose this title, Long Day's Journey into Night? So friends, many writers, many critics draw different conclusions, but according to me, according to I studied different actually articles and different resources. So according to that, the play ends within a day. So this is the main point. That play ends within a day. It takes place in within 24 hours. So one day represents whole life of their own family. One day shows repetitive process of life. So in one day is representing the whole life, what they have been doing from a long time, what were their routine. If we see their one day routines, it is showing the long days journey. Mean from long days, whatever they have been doing, journey into night mean they are showing this into night. Play starts from the day breaks when day breaks and it ends at night. So this is actually the significance of the title. This it is the meaning of this. So it means long drugs taking repetitive journey is covered into one night. So friends, I hope uh, you understood this video and you're getting the points. So friends, for today it is enough, and inshallah in next video I'll come with the new video. And friends, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel so that you may get the notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching friends.